Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Anini Livia Putri Agustin. I'm a first semester English study program students of Trunojoyo Madura University, Class C. Today, I make this video to describing a picture. So let's get started. Okay, so I choose this picture and I will explain to you in detail what's in this picture. First of all, as you can see, this picture shows the hustle and bustle of the city. This colorful picture shows a busy street filled with various vehicles and people with their own activities. Look at this picture. There are 5 buildings. On the top left is the biggest building in yellow and a little bit of orange. This building has 2 floors, where the top floor is used as a gym. You can see 3 people working out. On the right, there are 2 women on a treadmill. And on the left, there is a man lifting a barbell. While on the lower floor of this building is used as a clothing store. On the right, you can see clothes for adults, while on the left, clothes for children. In this building, also seen a man in a green shirt cleaning the glass upstairs. While outside the building, there is a woman who is seen looking at the clothes displayed in the store. Let's move to the top center of this picture. There is a building called Hi-Fi Base. This building is green and red with blue side and a yellow signboard. Inside this building seems to sell various kind of electronic device and home appliance. While the top right of this picture shows a blue building with a bit of yellow called World of Books, which is definitely a bookstore. There are 3 people in front of the store entrance. 2 of them look like they want to go in, while one man looked like he had just come out of the store carrying a book he was reading. Meanwhile, next to the bookstore, there is a pink building with a sky blue sign that says movies, which means this building is a cinema. We move on to another building. On the bottom right of this picture, there is an orange building with a little yellow and a red sign, which is called George's Family Restaurant. You can see in the glass, inside the restaurant, there are yellow tables with red dining chairs. While in front of the restaurant, there is a dark blue postbox. You can also see 2 people who look like men asking a woman for directions. After I explain the buildings one by one, now we turn to the street in this city. You can see in the picture there are 3 junctions and there are also 3 zebra crossings. First, let's look at the top center of this picture. There is a purple car driving past the bookstore. Meanwhile, on the right, there is a white and yellow bus that looks like it wants to turn right in the direction of the purple car. There you can also see a man in a brown suit crossing the bus. Like roads in general, there are also traffic lights. And underneath, there is a road board with the words "Do not enter." Then, in the middle right of the picture, there is a man wearing a navy blue shirt who is crossing the road. We can also see there is a small park. There is a fountain surrounded by 2 trees, 2 lights and a bench on the side of the road. There was an old woman sitting and feeding the pigeons there. Then, you can also see 2 road signs next to the zebra crossings. Meanwhile, in the middle left of the picture, you can see a man wearing a purple shirt hailing a taxi. As seen in the picture, the taxi passing by is yellow. Then we move to the bottom right of this picture. We see a man in a blue suit crossing the road. But suddenly, there is a boy in a yellow shirt riding a red bicycle who is speeding and almost hits him. In the picture, we can also see the items he wants carrying scattered out. There you can also see a road sign that says First Street, South Street, and below it is a sign that says stop. Then next to it, at the bottom left of the picture, there is a hot dog seller with a silver card and cover with an umbrella that says Choice Hot Dog. The seller is seen wearing a green shirt, and there is also a buyer wearing a yellow shirt. Then finally, next to the hot dog seller, there was a person who was repairing water pipes. He was wearing a white sleeveless t-shirt and a yellow project helmet. You can also see that there is a sign that says people working, and 2 traffic cones to block the road, and yellow lines to limit the road through which vehicles can pass. Well, in my opinion, this picture shows how busy and dense the city is, filled with various kind of tall buildings, various kind of vehicle passing by, and also many people with their respective activities. But a picture of a city like this is conveyed in colorful animation, so that it attracts the audience to observe it. Okay, that's all my explanation about describing pictures. Sorry if there are any wrong pronunciation and words. Thanks for your attention. See you in another video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.